Hey everybody, and welcome to another meal prep video. I'm so excited. This meal prep this week was super quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoy it. Here is what's on the menu for the week. The only thing I didn't prep is my oatmeal, and I'll do that in the morning before I go to work. It's really quick and easy. The first thing that I decided to cook was the sweet potatoes because they take forever, but I love to have them baked. It's just nice just to put them in the oven and get them done. I just poked a bunch of holes in them, wrapped them in foil, and then put them in the oven. And these were so big, so they took about an hour, I'm going to say, hour-ish. The next thing I prepped was my chicken breast. I bought frozen chicken breasts, defrosted them, then seasoned with salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. I'm so excited. The paprika that I got is actually from Budapest, and it's this really nice, almost kind of spicy paprika, but it's so delicious. So I just baked these, and then I sliced some garlic cloves on top, actually, and then just put those in the oven with the sweet potatoes. And for my veggies this week, I have fresh green beans. Here I was just slicing off the ends of the green beans. I had already done the rest of them, just to kind of clean them up. They've already been washed, and just cutting them off. And then after that, I'm gonna slice up all of those delicious bell peppers. I love bell peppers and everything. They come in 4-packs sometimes, and so I just like to get the 4-pack because I like all of the colors. It makes it look really nice and fresh and vibrant. So I just sliced those the long way. And this is going to go with my chicken breast and sweet potatoes for my dinner. And then to add, I just also sliced up an onion, which you'll see in a second. I also seasoned this with the same seasonings as I did with the chicken. And just tossed it all together. And just baked it until the bell peppers were just like a little bit soft, because I still like them a little crunchy. I don't like them like mushy. And this will go right into the oven. I probably baked it for maybe 20 minutes after I mixed it all together. And it was absolutely delicious. So that's it all mixed together, and it's going to go right in the oven. Now for my lunch this week, I'm going to have a tuna salad. I feel like I'm the only person on earth who loves tuna. Like, I will demolish a tuna sandwich with no questions asked. So this is 6 cans of tuna in water. I really try to stay away from the tuna that's in the oil because I just don't need all that extra mess. And about 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I really wanted to put the whole thing in there, but I didn't. And that's light mayonnaise also. And then about 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and then 2 tablespoons of relish. And I'm just mixing it all together with a little salt and pepper. And then you can see I have 6 boiled eggs over there, and I'm just going to slice those up and throw them right into the tuna. And once I've chopped up all the eggs, I'm just going to put them in there and mix everything up together. Those 2 extra eggs, I'm just going to slice them up and put them on top of the tuna when it's finished. Along with my tuna, I'm going to have 2 pieces of wheat bread and a salad, and this is just spinach and romaine together, and then I'm going to top it with that Italian dressing. Not even a tablespoon of it because it goes a long way. And I wanted to show you how delicious my sweet potatoes came out. Yum! And here is the finished product. Super quick, easy. After I have my oatmeal, I'll have those snacks. My snack, it will be an apple. And then you can see my lunch, my tuna with the salad. and the dressing. And then my second snack will be rice cakes with peanut butter, one of my favorite snacks. And then there's the chicken and green beans and sweet potatoes right there. And then my final snack for the evening will be a banana. Everything came out so good. You can see the little garlic slices on top of the chicken. And it was super quick. Most of the stuff was in the oven, so it didn't really take long to finish that. And tuna salad is pretty easy to make. So I hope you guys enjoyed the meal prep this week. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you next week.
I just wanna be with you. I'll do what I gotta do.